Hey guys, let's check out Abhishek Agrawal, a proficient author who has a convincing and inspirable voice as a life coach. Here is the interview glimpse we have taken with him for our magazine, The Big Market Journal. First of all, we have asked him that kindly comment on the type of work you do as an established author who enjoys a worldwide acclaim and good reader audience. For this, he has answered that I am a life coach, business coach, entrepreneur, and author. I have authored 11 best selling fiction and epistolary novels. I was born in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Right from my birth, I always wanted to achieve something very different in my life. I am interested in writing, driving, photography, painting, singing, hangouts with family and friends. My passion is to become a well recognized fame persona. From the beginning, I always kept on exploring the untouched topics which makes me stand apart as an author. I have also written articles for the weekly newspaper Mahakhabar and many other newspapers including few national magazines. I am best known for my depiction of socialites and religion in my works of fiction. I have also been a part of controversies, but those never bothered my personal life or work. Next, we have asked him that kindly tell us about your journey in brief. For this, he has answered that at a very young age, I started working. I am famous for giving talk shows about writing and personal relationships, and my major topics include positivity and passion. I started my career in writing in 2010 with my debut novel, Sorry for Loving You, which was released in June 2011. When I first picked up the pen to write some of my experiences and day to day incidents that motivated me, it was indeed a little tough, but with time, my skills improved to an extent. I write what is on my mind and play with the characters in my novel. According to me, if you want to achieve something, you have to sacrifice something from life. I am also a socio activist and I was connected to some big NGOs of India. Apart from that, I have joined various clubs in 2016 to serve the society. Next, we have asked him that kindly tell us about your books in a nutshell. For this, he has answered that in my novel, Sorry for Loving You, I try to sketch out the problems faced by the youth in finding their right partner and love of life, and how they deviate to wrong paths, leaving all their family members and friends behind. My book, Sorry for Loving You, is being translated in Hindi as Ek Chahat Adhuri Si and was released in February 2014. In 2013, my second novel, Forgetting the Unforgettable, has been released. This novel too came into the list of a national bestseller. This masterpiece is a dedication for all those who have lost their near and dear ones in the Mumbai bomb blast. In February 2006, my fourth book, titled as Completely Incomplete, was introduced. This novel spreads the message of the possessions which are overlooked in the course of accomplishing success. My most awaited novel after 5 years is named as The Day After My Death. According to me, my outcome will be a masterpiece. This book will be for all age groups and it will be an innovation in Indian literature. Next, we have asked him that what are your recent works? Describe them in brief. For this, he has answered that my recently published book is named as The Day After My Death. And now I have also started writing epistolary novels. Some of my epistolary novels are 0 Miles to 7 RCR, Article 52, Jersey number 10, Codex Eminence India, Custodians of Currency and Cinepedia. Next, we have asked him that what are your plans for the near future and for the next 5 years, or where do you see yourself as an author in the next 5 years? For this, he has answered that in the near future, I want to share some more stories through my upcoming novels. My main aim is to give a message to the society through my novels. I want more people to get inspired by me and my novels. Next, we have asked him that is there something you would like to add and share with your audience at large, such as your work ethic, principle, or motive? For this, he has answered that I wanted to share a quote, and that is your first opportunity is your last chance to prove yourself. Always keep in mind that pain is temporary, but pride is permanent. I write my columns under the name of Hello Youth. I want to serve the society and the nation through my activities. My biggest dream is to take the name of my hometown, Bhilai and Chhattisgarh to a national level in the field of literature. At last, I would say, I feel more proud if was not only called as the author but with the title, an Indian author. So guys, we hope you have liked this awesome interview cover. And in the end, we wish that you find all the contact links of this amazing personality in the description box. And do not forget to subscribe us and kindly press the bell icon. Stay tuned.